In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unstar a domain on Cloudflare. If you've marked a domain as a favorite in your Cloudflare dashboard and want to remove that star so it no longer appears in your favorites, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it, step by step, with a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your Cloudflare account in your web browser and sign in. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll land on the overview where your domains, also known as zones, are listed. If you've previously starred a domain, you'll see a small star icon highlighted next to its name, or that domain may appear in a favorite section at the top of the list. Starring is simply a way to bookmark or prioritize domains you access frequently. It doesn't affect DNS, traffic, security settings, or how your site behaves. Unstarring only changes how it's displayed in your dashboard. Find the domain that currently has the star. If you have many domains, use the search bar at the top of the list to quickly filter by name. When you've located the starred domain, look to the right of that domain's row for the options menu, often represented by 3 vertical dots. This is sometimes called the kebab menu. Click those 3 dots to open the actions for that specific domain. In the menu that appears, select Unstar Domain. The moment you click it, the star next to that domain should turn off, and the domain will be removed from your favorites view if you're using one. That's all there is to it. There's no downtime, no configuration changes, and no confirmation required in most cases. If you don't immediately see the change, give the page a quick refresh and it should update. A couple of quick pointers. If you don't see the 3-dot menu, try widening your browser window or reducing the zoom, as the Actions menu can collapse on smaller screens. On mobile, the same menu appears, but you might need to swipe horizontally within the domain row to reveal it. If your account has access to multiple Cloudflare organizations, make sure you're viewing the correct one, since favorites are tied to the current account context. And remember, you can star that domain again anytime by opening the same menu and choosing Star Domain. That's it. You've successfully unstarred a domain on Cloudflare, keeping your dashboard clean and focused on what you need most. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to continue organizing your domains so your Cloudflare workspace stays efficient and easy to navigate.